Let me first show you my place setting. All fall colors: gold, orange, dark green, yellow. Also note that all flowers, and I have 2 flower arrangements on the table, are from my garden. Irises, they smell so great. Mums and gerberas. Before I show you my dishes and first appetizers, of course, let's go to my sunroom. As usually, I decorated my sunroom, and you can watch my videos from the previous years to see how my designs differ. Dry felting project with dry wood. Let me now show you what I cooked for my Thanksgiving dinner. I prepared 10 appetizers. Smoked salmon on avocado pillow, red caviar, salad with spinach and glazed pears, beef tongue, salad with fennel and oranges in orange skin. 2 appetizers here with mushrooms. One the real mushroom stuffed with blue cheese and garlic and some other delicious things. And those mushrooms are done with a cheese salad and tops of small tomatoes. And these bowls are liver pate in pistachios, finally a sauce, horseradish sauce with sour cream and baked pumpkin wrapped in bacon. So these are my 10 appetizers. This is the main dish, the turkey, gravy and cranberry sauce, 4 side dishes. We cut the turkey and now we are ready to eat. And this is our dessert table. We have apple pie, we have cranberry pie, we have 8 varieties of fruits and berries. This is the only pie that we bought. All pies are done by me. This one is also cranberry and orange, and this is pumpkin pie. Candies and nuts. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.